just fell on the ground. Something fell. The present just fell in the box. Who is that?
Mickey Mouse?
No, it's a door.
What else is in here?
A baby tiger.
Baby jaguar.
Yeah.
Do you love it, Kara?
What? There's more. Who's this?
I don't know. It's Boots.
Oh.
I have
That jaguar was on the show too. It's not.
What?
He's on Diego.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Remember Diego's friend, Baby Jaguar? He goes, "Meow." Do you love him?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
You're
What about this?
welcome, honey.
What's in here?